we're preparing for a basement remodel. At this point, we've learned that we're going to be the right fit for you. We're excited to move forward with this process. So we're going to bring you into our office for a contract signing. In the contract signing, we also utilize this time to go over a folder of information we've prepared for you, like a little checklist to really think through some things and help prepare for your remodel. There's dumpsters involved in remodeling projects, right? So where do we put that? We're managing that. No stress on your end. These are questions we'll get. We'll be able to plug into our Builder Trend. Your job has a place in Builder Trend. You guys are going to utilize this portal. We're going to do a tutorial while you're here. Every aspect of the job has a place in Builder Trend. It's very organized, a very user-friendly software. And all of these things we're going to just discuss to really prepare, make it a successful experience for you. So you guys do not have to worry about, is my home going to be properly prepped? You know, we're doing a really thorough job from whatever walking space and path that leads to your basement is completely covered properly. I'll let Anthony kind of go into detail of that process.
On a basement remodel, we typically ask everyone to move all the items down in the basement, either to their garage. Sometimes we'll get pods and stuff just to where we can get a clean area to work. Typically in a basement, I mean, you're going to have drywall, you're going to have framing, you're going to have kind of quite a bit of trades going through there. So the more items that we can get out of the basement, the better, just to make sure we have a good working area. Typically the lumber, drywall, if there's egress windows, we'll take all of that material through the window to make sure it's not tracking through the house. Typically on a basement remodel, from the front door down to the basement, we'll typically put floor protection down and plastic zip walls and stuff just to kind of help contain the dust. It's kind of situational as far as how much of that we do in a home. Every home's different, and that's where our construction team and our knowledge, we make sure to get it properly prepped in order to get started.
I think something that really stands out to our clients, I'll conduct like an exit survey at the end of each project. And one of the things that consistently I hear is, you know, what really stood out too is just like the care that you guys had for your home, not only in that prep, but starting with us and then all the way through with every individual that comes in to the home of our clients, which is, you know, through our team, we all truly care about what we're doing and getting to know our clients. And I think it just eases the client's mind as they are moving through this project. We're in your home for a good amount of time and making it a very comfortable experience with our trustworthy team that puts in a lot of care and prep, you know, to ensure it's a good experience.